Hello and welcome to today's technical drawing class. I highly welcome you to Wise Link Academy. For this class, we're trying to produce out the concept. As you can see, the concept at the right hand side of the screen. So that is called the concept behind principle of tangency. So try to produce that figure there. So my first task to draw that figure is to draw a horizontal line, which I'll be doing in front of you. So long one, short one, long one, short one, long one, short one. As you can see, when you are done with the horizontal line, what next? I'll pick a point. Alright, come to this point here. I'll draw long one, short one, long one, short one, long one, short one. I have this here. From here, there's a point here. This point is that point you're seeing arrow indicating. From this point here, there's a distance of what? 75 to the next point. So take my meter rule and measure 75. So from here to here is 75, right? At that point there, I will take my usual concepts: long one, short one, long one, short one, short one, long one, short one, long one. So I have this here. First is first, there's a kind of radius of here, radius of 22. So I'll measure 22 with my compass. I'll meter rule 22 to this point. So I'll come down here and draw my circle, a faint one please, a faint circle first. I'm done with this. What's your next task? Alright, observe that my next task is to get the second circle here. But second circle here it has an height of 10 upward. So I'll come to this point here, measure 10 upward. This is 10 millimeter, which is equal to 10 centimeter. So I'll take my T square, right, to this point here and draw it to this point to touch the second circle here, the faint line, right? As you can see, the line touching the second circle here, the faint line. Let me just indicate this, right? So I have that one there. So what's the next task? It's from this point now, I'll now get out that circle. We're saying that circle has a radius of 12. So measure 12, that's 1.2. From here to here is 1.2. So I can easily take my compass to this point here and draw the circle of 1.2. So I have this here with a faint line. Face circle first. So I have that. Alright, what's the next task? Is to start getting our curve. So this kind of curve from here to this point. So observe that my radius there is going to be 55. So subtract 55 from 12. If I minus 55 from 12, I'll have about 43. So measure 43 to this point here. 43 to this point here. So it means that I'll take my compass here, I'll drop the arc down this way, right? Draw the arc down this way. As you can see, my arc. What's the next task? Next task is that I'll measure 55, pure 55 from here to here, right? 55 from here to here. So I'll take it to this edge point here and cut it. Where it's cut is at this point there. So at that point there, I'll take it, extend it this way to touch this. So I have this. So I have this. I have that here. Alright, what's your next task? I'll come to this point here and taking. Okay, before that, let's get second arc here, right? So the arc, the radius is given as 85 as the second arc here. So that 85, this is having a tummy. It's like a tummy, a bigger tummy. So subtract. So 85 minus the radius of the circle is 22. So 85 minus 22, I have about 63. Right? So this is 63 to this point, 63. Right? So I'll take my compass to this point here. I'll strike my arc upward, please. Upward this way. When you are done with 63, I'll measure a pure 85. 85, right? I'll measure 85 from here. Hang on. 85. So measure 85 from here. 85 from here down here. 85, right? 85. Observe. So I'll come to this second point here, this one here, and cut the arc. So when the arc cut here, I'll take my compass from this point here. I'll gauge it. Right? I'll start gauging. Hang on. I will ensure that it's tangent. Tangent. Hang on. So I have this. So it becomes what I have here. Alright, I have this one here. So my task now is I'm done with this. So next task is to finalize it by taking the circle. I'll take in this part here. Right, taking it. So I have this here. So similarly, I'll come here and take in this one here. Come to this point. Now taking this part here too. To this point. Alright, so I have this here. So I'm done with the construction. What's my next task? Get that dimension. What's my dimension? We know that from here to here is given at 75. So I have 75, right? Next up, here is given as R55. Next procedure, here is given as R22. That is the radius of 22. Distance from here to here is given as 10, right? So finally, this circle here is given as R12. So I have R12 here. So this is like how to construct this concept using the principle of tangency concept. So see you in our next class. Thanks for watching and welcome to Wise Link Academy.